Do you like it?
Gosh, it's nothing like it was. Love it.
Hey guys, my name is Danilo Bozic and I'm here in Schwarzkopf Academy Trend Lab, and I'm gonna show you how and why I use TBH color instead of Royale Gora and some other colors, and I'm gonna use my air touch technique to create something seamless and beautiful. So you don't like those stripes and lines here that is in between your natural color. I need something that is more soft, that is mild, and I wanna keep you natural on a lighter side. Based on her hair color, based on her texture, and based on her previous color history and the end result that we're gonna achieve, I have a game plan. I'm gonna use Schwarzkopf clay bleach with 7 volume because it's not that dark, so I don't need a lot of impact, I don't need a lot of lift. So I'm gonna use that in the foils with the bleach, but in between the foils I'm gonna use TBH color. That's permanent color with a 50% less ammonia, and it's gonna provide me enough coverage and longevity through the time because it's not gonna fade that fast because it's permanent, but it's not gonna affect on her base color because I wanna keep her natural. Why not Royale Gora? Because Royale Gora, if I go above level 6, it's gonna give me slightly lift and it's gonna create that lifting the base, so it's gonna be more orangey and something that I wanna avoid. I wanna get a coverage, not lifting. If I'm using something darker on Royale Gora, it's gonna create a lot of deposit and it's gonna create me banding for a next time. I don't wanna use that. And I'm gonna tone it down after that with more vibrance. Why in this case more vibrance, not TBH? Because more vibrance is something that is gonna keep me brighter, something that is translucent, something that you can see through. So I wanna show that TBH in between. I wanna show that dimension, I wanna show that blend that I'm creating with TBH. And that's gonna create that super nice, seamless look. So guys, this is my final result. As you can see, like I promised, it's gonna be seamless, blended, nice, blonde, but not too much. It's so nice and soft, so she's easy for maintenance. No more any lines and stripes. So TBH has done job perfectly. No any bendings, no nothing. I didn't change her base. She's nice and seamless blonde, but on a natural side.